Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and we're making some custom wedding favors today. So we're using a couple products that we have on ColemanandCompany.com. First, we have the blank can coolers. Now these are a great universal can cooler. They can be sublimated, they're great for transfers, but they're also great for heat transfer vinyl. Which leads us to the vinyl that we'll be using today, which is the Triton Heat Transfer Vinyl. Also on ColemanandCompany.com, and comes in tons of colors, even glitter options. Now the coolest part about this project is this art was created by ColDesi Graphics. So I sent them a couple photos of my dog and a few instructions, and they were able to turn his photo into this vector cut ready art. So I want to show you guys how I made them. The first step is to cut out your design. I'm using the black Triton Heat Transfer Vinyl and the Graphtec CE7000 vinyl cutter. Then you need to remove the excess pieces of vinyl that aren't a part of your design. We call this weeding. So for the smaller details, I highly recommend using a weeding pick. Now these can be found on ColemanandCompany.com, and they're really just going to help you get inside those crevices when your fingernails just won't do the job. Now the vinyl's carrier sheet has a little tackiness to it, so I'm going to position my graphic on the can cooler before heat pressing. One of my favorite things about this vinyl is it only has to be under the heat press for 10 seconds. Plus, with small gifts like can coolers, I could have fit tons on the heat press all at one time. Once it's done, you can remove the carrier sheet and you are left with super unique and custom can coolers. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you've probably realized that our dog Mason plays a huge role in a lot of the projects that I do here at ColDesi. Now, you've also probably realized that I'm recently engaged. So these can coolers are actually wedding favors for our upcoming wedding. Now the market for wedding favors and bridal party gifts is huge, but people don't just want the same old thing anymore. They want something new and unique and personalized, and that's why they need your help. So if you want to learn more about heat presses or vinyl, cutters, even blanks, go ahead and visit ColemanandCompany.com and use the search bar and find what you need.